8 Simple Hacks to Improve Your Life. Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing on 8 simple hacks to improve your life by making it healthy. The links to all of these guidelines are shared in the description. First one is prioritize your quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep each night to support immune function, cognitive performance, and emotional well-being. Number 2 is maintain a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limiting processed foods and added sugars can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 3 is engage in regular physical activity. Incorporate at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous activity weekly, along with strength training exercises twice a week. Number 4 is practice mindfulness and meditation. Activities like meditation can reduce stress, enhance mental clarity, and improve emotional health. Number 5 is stay hydrated. Drinking adequate water aids digestion, supports skin health, and helps maintain energy levels. Number 6 is establish a consistent daily routine. Creating a structured schedule can improve sleep patterns, reduce stress, and enhance overall productivity. Number 7 is limit screen time. Reducing time spent on electronic devices, especially before bedtime, can improve sleep quality and decrease eye strain. And last, number 8 is foster social connections. Regularly connecting with friends and family contributes to better mental and emotional health. Implementing these straightforward strategies can significantly enhance your health and quality of life. Please follow Dr. Fit Facts for more interesting videos and guidelines. Thank you.